The Joint Recruitment Board of Tripura headquarters located at the office land has turned into a center of intense administrative activity following recent landmark judicial orders. The office is currently working at full capacity to execute the directives concerning the revision and compilation of the recruitment list. According to ground reports, regular operations at the JRBT office have been significantly upgraded to ensure time-bound compliance with judicial mandates. Staff and senior officials are working in extended shifts to re-verify evaluation parameters and structural grids for major state recruitment cadres, particularly Group C and Group D posts.
JRBT document verification চলছে তো সেটার জন্য আমরা JRBT এই অফিসে এসেছি
হঠাৎ করে JRBT
না হঠাৎ করে না স্যার এটা একটা সুপ্রিম কোর্টের কেস হয়েছিল তো কেসে আবার রায় বেরিয়েছে 430 জনের একটা মানে ডকুমেন্ট ভেরিফিকেশন চলছে 430 জন রিক্রুট হবে স্যার
Reported by Pranav from Chini, Khorang.